Do you flip between tabs, doing work on one, jumping back to the other one? Well, you don't have to do that any longer. Now you can use split screen and use two tabs, viewing them both at the same time. You'll go to your tab that you are in, right click on it, and here you see add tab to new split view. You're going to click on that. And then over on the right, you can choose from the other Google Chrome tabs that you want to display alongside of it. So I'm going to choose this one and I can work over here thinking about whatever I have to do here and also view what's going on over here in this document. Super simple, right? Subscribe for more Google Workspace tutorials so that you can save time and make more money with the tools you already have.